Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to have you here because in today's video we will be cleaning the living room as well as the kitchen, and last but not least we are for sure going to be Christmas decorating. And let me tell you guys right now that I am so happy and excited right now because we are going to be decorating a real live Christmas tree, and this is the first for my family. So stay tuned and please consider unsubscribing, and this will help me so much for my channel as well. Thanks guys. I don't know about you guys, but I usually prefer to clean first and then go back and decorate. It's just so much easier and it gives me a better idea on what I'm going to put my Christmas decorations at. And especially because I needed to make room for my, oh my God, I can't believe I'm saying this, but my real live Christmas tree, you guys. And I'm just so happy and excited really to start decorating. And plus, as of right now, my family is not feeling too well. I believe they have the common cold, and Chris was really sick, and God bless him. Even though he's not feeling too well, he still was willing to help me for the sake of our kids as well, because two of my kids are not feeling good either, and they're asleep right now. So I just kind of like, this is kind of like a power hour clean. I'm trying to put out the Christmas decor before they wake up so I can just uplift their spirits and see the joy on their face, honestly. And so yeah, that is what's going on right now. So I came in the kitchen with the intentions of ultimate cleaning in here, but it ended up in actual deep cleaning because, like I mentioned before, I'm always in here. I'm always cooking and baking, and you know what? It's totally fine as long as my family is happy and they are fed. You know what? It's cool with me, and I'm going to continue on doing it because, like I've mentioned before, which is oddly to say, I actually enjoy cooking. But so yeah, so I'm just going to deep clean in here and then we can go ahead and start decorating, which is the very fun part for me, at least anyways. All right, so I did DIY this snowflake out of paper bags, you guys, and it was so much fun. And hopefully I can have that video up for you guys sometime next week, because I already have a video scheduled for this Friday, and I've been really super busy just taking care of the family. As like I mentioned before, they are sick, and I don't know, I don't want to like stress myself out too much, but yeah, hopefully that video will be up for you guys sometime next week, so that way you can give it a try with your little ones. It is so much fun. I highly recommend it, and it's very affordable as well. Even though CJ was feeling under the weather, he still offered to help me put up the star because he saw me struggling. And of course, I couldn't tell him no. And as for my front porch, I'm not going to decorate it just because I haven't found anything that I actually like to decor out there. So I'm just going to add this wreath on my front door, and that is it until I can find something. And then as for my stockings, I don't have a ladder anymore where I used to hang them, so I'm just going to hang them here on this coat rack, which is a brilliant idea. As for the garland here, I actually thrifted it, and I found it for only about $3 to $4, which was the best money I've ever spent, honestly, because it was in good condition. It wasn't cheap made or anything like that, which I actually love. And not to mention, it matches my tree, which is so weird, but I'm happy that I found it. And I just added this um, fairy lights to it, as well as these what is it, like acorns that I found at Dollar Tree, which is pretty cool. Or not acorns, pine cones. I always get confused. But I also made these dried oranges that I attached to some twine or rope. I can't remember, but I don't know. I think it looks beautiful and it smells really good. And you guys, the smell, not to mention the smell, it smells so good in here with a real Christmas tree. It smells like pine, and then with the dried oranges, like I am in heaven right now. It smells like Christmas right now. And then Chris bought me this candle. He knows how much I love candles, and I don't know, everything just coming in place, and it feels very cozy and warm in here. It smells amazing, and I'm so happy that how it all turned out, honestly. So it looks like you made it towards the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful in any way, please thumbs it up or down. That will further let me know what needs improvement. So I hope you guys enjoyed this living room tour as well as the kitchen tour, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you super soon in a new video. Bye. Thanks, guys.
I know him. I know him.